Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the properties of charge. Same charges repel each other while opposite charges attract each other. It is known as the fundamental law of electrostatics. Plus plus or minus minus charges are same, so they will oppose each other, while plus minus and minus plus charges are opposite, so they will attract each other. Two same charges can attract each other only when one body is heavily charged with respect to the other body. But we will not use this property as we are dealing with small charges in our syllabus. The second property deals with the motion of charge. A stationary charge produces an electrostatic field around it and exerts electrostatic force on the charges which are present in their surroundings. Third, when charges move with a constant speed, then it produces both electric and magnetic field with the dominance of magnetic field. Hence, it exerts both magnetic force and electric force with the dominance of magnetic force. When charge starts to move with a constant acceleration, it produces electric field, magnetic field, and electromagnetic waves with the dominance of EM waves, that are electromagnetic waves. Fifth property, charge is a derived and scalar quantity. Sixth property states the additivity of charges or superposition of charge. It states that the net charge on a system will be equal to algebraic sum of all the charges present in that system. For example, let us take a sphere containing 10 coulomb minus 12 coulomb minus 6 coulomb and 2 coulomb charge. So Q net will be the sum, that is simply with their signs 10 minus 12 minus 6 plus 2, that is equal to minus 6 coulomb. The seventh property of charge is that conservation of charge. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one object to another object. Or we can say that total charge of an isolated system will be conserved.